All right, here we go for DC 12205. This is going to be Panini Spectra football. Panini Spectra football is the live break deal of the day at SteelCityCollectibles.com. We got it on sale $189.95 right there off the home page. And good luck here. Let's get to breaking this thing for you, DC. Hopefully get a big hit or two out of the box. 6 mini boxes. Each one has a autograph and a memorabilia card. Occasionally get a couple autographs in place of the memorabilia. And here we go, mini box number 1. RY, how are you, buddy? Appreciate you joining us live as always here on Breakers TV, breaking some Spectra for DC. RG3 City Limits, that one is going to be 25 of 49. Got the Joseph Randall on the Spectra jersey, 85 of 99. And BJ Daniels autograph, 4 of 99. Denarius Moore and Demarius Thomas as well. Be pretty cool if they put out a Spectra baseball there, Votto. Votto, we got you up next with your USA set. See here, Vernon Davis, got the Reggie Wayne, Marlon Brown on the Rookie of the Week winner, Memphis native. Jeff, how are you, buddy? Appreciate you joining us live on Breakers TV. Congratulations on that Ronnie Lott hit. Frank Gore on the Blue Spectra, 17 of 99. Got the law firm Ben Jarvis, Green Ellis on the red patch, 13 of 25, red jersey. And we got the C.L. Moore, Oakland Raiders. That one is 55 of 99. Tug, been great. Been a great day here. Enjoying the opportunity to break a bunch of stuff for you guys. Nice to be back here after the weekend off. Had the chance to go check out the Little League World Series. Very cool atmosphere up there. Encourage any of you guys that can make it out to Williamsport at some point to check that out. Really cool atmosphere. Rob Gronkowski, AJ Green. At the City Limits, LaShawn McCoy. That one's going to be 22 of 99. Ryan Kerrigan. That one is going to be 1 of 299 on the jersey. First one they numbered. And we got the redemption autograph, Quentin Patton for the rookie signature Spectra. Halfway home in the box. Oh man, that's crazy, Russia. Jeff, sweet hits there for you. Got an autograph right off the top there. Michael Rivera for the Oakland Raiders, 18 of 299. T.Y. Hilton, Patrick Peterson. Got the Justin Hunter City Limits. That one's 77 of 99. Also have Alex Smith on the jersey, 6 of 299. DC, hopefully got a big hit for you coming up in one of these next 2 packs. Start off, Matt Schaub, Pierre Garcon. Got the Rookie of the Week, E.J. Manuel. Darren McFadden, that one is going to be 82 of 99 on the City Limits. Malcolm Floyd on the jersey, 16 of 299. And you got a sweet hit right here, 22 of 25 on the Keenan Allen patch autograph. Wide receiver there for the San Diego Chargers. I got to see if I can swipe him up in a fantasy draft or two coming up here. Very cool hit on the Keenan Allen patch. We'll get that one sleeved up for you. Y2J, how are you, buddy? Appreciate you joining us live here on Breakers TV. Yeah, solid SummerSlam there, Y2J. Glad to see them finally put on a show worthwhile to watch. It's been a while. Final pack here for DC. Greg Jennings, Luke Keechley. Got the Ben Roethlisberger City Limits 20 of 25 on the red. Marquise Colston, 153 of 199 on the jersey. And finally, DJ Fluker on the autograph. That one is 116 of 299. DC, appreciate you bringing live with us here on Breakers TV. We'll get those cards out to you.